Hello, Velez. My name is Charles from Wally Digital, and I just wanted to shoot you this short video just giving you a few tips on your website. I saw your post in Upwork just saying that you need to improve your SEO to appear in searches for attorneys in your local area. And I decided just to shoot you this short video giving you a little bit of advice, trying to show you that I do know what I'm talking about because sometimes I realize business owners don't have the time to research this kind of stuff, and there's so much information out there. So hopefully this will help you with I'm not sure if you found someone or not yet to help you with your website, but if you give them this video, I'm sure it can help. Okay, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. But before I get into that, I just talk about the Google search and what's known as keywords. So when someone searches, say I'm searching for a lawyer in Puerto Rico, I just noticed that your area code was from Puerto Rico. So if especially I'm sure a lot of Puerto Ricans would search in Spanish. So once you Google this, let's say I'm looking for abogado Puerto Rico. This is known as a keyword. This phrase that people type into Google to search for things. And these results come up. Now, this is where you want to be, at the top of these results. This first part here is called a map pack, which I'm going to talk about. And the second part down here are the organic search results, and I'm going to get to that. Okay, so the three things: content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. Content is everything on your front page. All the pictures, the words, everything, even what the pictures are saved as. For example, if I was going to save this picture, I can see that it's been saved as just a random string of letters and numbers. Google reads all of this. In fact, most bots on the internet, most search engines read all of this from your website. So it's important to include good keywords within what you save your pictures as, within the text on your page. Talking about text, it's good to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your front page. Authoritative content shows who you are, all the services that you do. It's good to have testimonials as well. But about 1,500 words, 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that optimizes with Google. Next, within that content, you should include good keywords. These are the phrases I was talking about, these keywords. This is how Google knows to show you in front of those searches. This is where good keyword research comes into play because, for example, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which analyzes websites and does keyword research and different online stuff. And I was looking for keywords in your area and to look at the search volume. So, for example, if you have this kind of keyword, like if someone's being more specific, avocados in San Juan, no, sorry, in San Juan, Puerto Rico, you can tell Spanish is not my first language, but about 30 people search for that every month. Family lawyers in Puerto Rico, 200 people search for that every month. Now I'm just using this tool. This tool is widely available. It's kind of expensive every month, but it helps us guys who do SEO and who do proper research. So I just want to show you a few more keywords to show you what people are searching for and the volume that these people are searching for. And then if you drill down to if you drill down to more specific locations, you can tell some places they're searching more than others. For example, I guess in Caguas, there's a lot of searches for lawyers. So people are typing this, looking 400 people a month typing this one keyword. Another 450 people a month typing this next one. 300 looking for I guess a notary public or anyway. You can see this kind of volume, so it's important to have these kind of keywords in your text on your website. Let's see. Yes, even in Carolina, I noticed there's quite a bit of search volume. And KD simply means a competition. and a lot of these have almost zero competition. So that means if you apply these, SEO principles properly, within about 1 to 3 months, I would say maximum 4 months, you can be at the top for a lot of these searches. A lot of these searches. So that's content. Make sure your content is authoritative, describes exactly what you do, who you are, and includes a lot of these keywords so that Google can start to put you in front of those kind of searches. Next thing I want to talk about is citations, which has to do with the map pack here. So how do these companies rank higher and higher here? A lot of people will tell you it's just reviews, but no, it's not just reviews. It's also what's known as citations help. I wanted to show you that, you see, someone with 17 reviews is above someone with 32 reviews. What also helps a lot is citations. Now, citations is any on the internet where your name, business address, and business phone number are cited on different directories online. So by directories, I mean like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Nextdoor, all of these online directories. The more relative to what you do, and the higher in number, and the better quality directory, the higher Google will put you in this map pack, because it recognizes you for that address, and that's local SEO. So the last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, a backlink is when a different website links to your website, directing traffic to you. So let's say you have a conference of lawyers, a forum, and there's a blog post written, and there's a link there that directs people to your website. That's called a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because let's say it's a McDonald's that's linking to you. It's very different from a forum of lawyers that's linking to you. And Google can recognize the theme and the general theme of these of backlinks. So that's another mistake a lot of people make with I guess cheaper SEO people. They'll just fill your website with backlinks and not worry about the quality. And that's a huge mistake, because Google does penalize you for having many irrelevant and spammy backlinks. So backlinks are important because they help you get higher and higher in the organic search results. So for example, let's take one of these your competitors here. Let's say Zspala Law. I'm going to use the same tool to look at their backlinks. So it's important to have whoever's doing your SEO to research your competition to see what you need to do to beat them. So you can come in and look at where they get all their backlinks from, especially the higher authority ones, and then go there and get a backlink there yourself. For example, this top million websites, I guess it's not a very secure website. It doesn't have SSL security, but here, add your link here, contact us, you can buy backlinks. So I'm guessing whoever was dealing with them was an SEO person and went out and purchased backlinks. But it's important to look at your competition, look at their backlinks, make sure you have the same in authority and higher in number. And once you know what your competition has, it's easy to beat them, because you know what to do. All right, Velez, thank you very much. Again, my name is Charles. My contact information is in the email, and thank you. I look forward to speaking with you. Once again, these are free tips. Feel free to share them with your website person, and hopefully this can help you. Thank you.